Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing a focused workspace. Create a virtualenv and install OpenPython, Pillow, PyTesseract, and Google Cloud Vision so you can capture and analyze images. Once done, enable the Google Vision API and download the service account JSON. You'll use it for authenticated requests. Make sure to place the key securely and point Google application credentials to it. Then scaffold src/models/test/ and create main. This gets you into coding right away without wasting time on fluff. You capture frames with OpenCV, resize to a max dimension like 1024 to balance speed and quality, convert BGR to RGB, then apply a bilateral filter for denoising. Next, run PyTesseract for quick local OCR. If results are weak, send the cropped region to Google Vision for text and label detection. This two-tier approach saves API quota and improves accuracy. Once you have bounding boxes, crop and normalize images so downstream models and heuristics get consistent inputs. You now merge OCR text and vision labels into a single JSON payload containing text, confidence scores, coordinates, and suggested actions. Then render results on screen. Overlay bounding boxes, show quick actions like copy or search, and enable sharing. Test edge cases, low light, rotated text, and long paragraphs. If things go wrong, first verify Google application credentials, API quotas, and that your images meet resolution expectations. Increase logging to debug and reproduce failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.